dear home buyers and neighbors. Welcome to Frank Liu Open House. I'm the avatar service of Frank Liu team. We're proudly presenting this beautiful home at 2490 Clear Spring Court, San Jose, CA 95133. The WoodLeaf Common community presents an exceptional opportunity to own a rare gem in the heart of Silicon Valley, the global center for numerous world-class high-tech companies. This move-in-ready townhouse is a single-floor end unit that feels like a house. It boasts 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, with recently upgraded kitchen and bathrooms that complement the open floor plan, creating a cozy living space. The bedrooms are filled with natural light, and the privacy of having no neighbors above, behind, or on one side adds to the tranquility. The property also includes a detached garage and in-house laundry with a washer/dryer. Glass sliding doors open to a charming patio, perfect for leisurely afternoons and BBQ. The low HOA fee of $400 includes water, making this an even more attractive option. The location is unbeatable, with easy access to 101 and 680 and in walking distance to VTA Light Rail Station and BART. The condo is surrounded by high-tech companies and a short drive to high-tech shuttle bus stops. Nearby shopping and amenities, such as Costco, Ranch 99, H-mart, and Sprouts, make this an ideal location for a small family, seniors, or young professionals who want to enjoy comfortable and convenient living in Silicon Valley. The digital flyer, which has included the virtual tour home information, disclosure reports. If you have any questions, please contact listing agent Frank Liu at 408-828-0600 or 408-313-2688 and frank.liu1268@gmail.com. Again, thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.